Keblai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat bakong san mentagas ngi kilong. Mat ke West Garo Hills ya ke jingsha penjulor ke bajur hakini kisah pra kenta. Linear kinong tre GHEDC bamyo tulop. Wan ban Peit ya ke jingya kop nya kali ha kerdem kulai. Bat kala duriau ke shnong sel-sela petwer ki pat ba nalayi. Bat mintangin pa syaki Khubor bakham benya. Ka West Garo Hills kadi ka Wainigi district ka balamat ya ka jingsha penjulor ka bajur na ka jingther ulap ba bajur hakini ki sabu prakenta baladep lada nujor bat ki Wainigi district jong ka Jylla. Haba pentip ya kani Menteri Ketanat Revenue and Disaster Management uba kermen Shillong uloong badagi spat tali kilong yeng ki balajulor na ka daw ka jingshlay bat ka jingtwa kendau hakatai ka district. Ula pentip ru bakani ke jing selat ki bor ke Mariang kalakta ru ya ke Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills bat ru ha East Jantia Hills.
Actually, I have the report with me, which actually lasts 48 hours. The report which we received yesterday till 10 o'clock in the morning. So, West Garo Hills, it happens to be 11 villages were affected, whereas 2,808 population were affected, and one school building also, and then one house was fully damaged. This is in West Garo Hills. In Southwest Khasi Hills, where landslide occurred on 16 itself, so this fall under Maukarwat Sin RD block, which affect one village and 8 population were affected who stayed at that house. And when it comes to detailed report for this, assessment is being done by the officers, so this will be provided to the department for the relief and all. So West Khasi Hills, here we under non-strain scene RD block, so the report is under assessment. It shows that at Lao, Rapha and Tesa village, these are the villages were affected due to landslide. East Jantia Hills under Lumshno Sin RD block, because of the heavy rainfall, we have seen the movement of the vehicle has been stopped, and after that it restored back. West Garo Hills, we have seen that on the 15th, so around 6:50 a.m. under Sel-Sela block, it caused damage, and some FIP project and 150 families were affected under West Garo Hills. And then we have also, well, in West Garo Hills is the most affected place. I have many reports here, but they have seen it different things, so which I would like to rate it. So in West Garo Hills itself, and we have received in different parts. So we saw that under Silsila block only, we saw that Singville FIP project were affected, where 100 families.
Kinong tre ka JHEDC kila linear ya ka jingmenti ka executive committee ban penbiang ni kitulop jang kinong tre mentala bun benai. Uba pasmon dekar EM ula kular ban siu tulop no hadin ubenai JYLLIEW kinong tre jang ka JHEDC. Unong yalam ka VPP uba dami wanhi el rimbai organizing secretary ula ujor da ka jingtho halor ka ni ka jing bat jing jenjar jang kinong tre ka council.
Ini aging skit yang ini kam wah ini yang ini yang wah ilang CM matom kamjo ketua di prime member walai CM yo minister jadi por the keluar le CM upla ya wesa yung tidak po ni sinya siman na po ya wesa po ang sa council emi krum kram wa ni ba emi di untuk upla to muslim dan yung tidak pernah po patrik wesa po ba ko ini manlero ini dep mandalai lain yang dalam parti ini West Hills so hanya kita mawalat CM yung tidak besar po ya ko patrik jadi itu ini one gini West Hills Party no ilam ng West Hills Party murgi uci CM and CM office kamte psia ikamrama the one the psia inga the murnisti HU to ST to HO to raise ki issue to su no to you develop yang nong create social hapo di bulan Jun liu ngaman kamu wino isi member hapo yang JYLLIEW matong CM ila da emile wa yo issues na government to pinau di bulan da yo e share kalau yo ele yo su yari nong create social kamu tiba man boyo la se boy pinau di bulan Jylla la yo su tiga dep se government ke Peit council kalau MMK
yang gadis council kajing ide bat kajing wan kejongi mentarismi ban ya kendu ya chief executive member jong ka JHDC ndai ke basisi kalong ba indon ha kani ka Jylla ji la ban ong namar bubun ke misi ru kimtip ba udon se dengi la persang ya kaban ya kontak batu badu di chief CM ro de ndai ngimyo de mentarismi la yo ya kaban kendu ya we PM jong kani ka council haga bangina IT ya kani ka city haga jing ide bat kani ka jing du tulop jong kini ginong tre jong council ka balakot cha khalai banai de JYLLIEW na Khubor ya kani ka jipular ka ba ki nong tre ki march ya kani ka jing shathok ba ki jipular ki bala bunsit de ka pelong yang kum ka party ya ka ban syukia halor kani ka jinge ka ba kini ki nong tre ya kendu ha ka shimet lani ha ka jing kesem de ka Bosco si susu kalong ba kumang liu tim yo jitim ba hagini kita yo kepala dep ba kila don ru ki staff ki bela khlano klem ka tulop namar ba kila ya kendu jinge namar ka jing bomla ka JSDC ban siu tulop iki kimla ban le wat ing tagi jingerap mo kalian ka koi ka khia kila mat ika tagi jia ka Bosco si kani kalau long ba tak sikade ya kitu gilong long sem ki ba man ya kani ka jing jia ka Bosco si te ngina kalian jungi kum ka party JYLLIEW ya kani ka jingpular ka ba ni ha kini ki kendia singi kepala dep ba nakaliang jong chimistar ula pular ba un pelai ni dep lani ban siu dep no ya kani ka tulop jong kini ki nong tre ke bala kot se khalai banai te ngi nakaliang jong ka voice of the people party tangka we hi ke jing da wangi bo maju ba hapo kani ka live filtering lani hapo jong ni banai ku ba kilo pular shua ka ba reklam ki de ban siu dep ya tulop ban kajing keren ke jongi bat EM lani ba chairman jong kani ka JSDC kalong ba ngim kwa ya ka ba ka kani ka kan council kan siu tulop ya kinong tretang si banai lani ar banai tang kum ka jing penbe enrei ngi na kaliang jong ka voice of the people party ngi dawa bat ngi banjur ba ka kani ka share jong ka council ru ngi tib ka don ka pisaro ka don te ka jing bom sim khia ban pelai kani pisa kala pelong ya kani ka district council makan mat ya kani ka jing te nagaliang jongi ngidawa be de ban siu be ya kani ka tulop ka balasa khalai banai syakini ki nong tre jong ka council balada kani ka council kamla ya ka ban penurlong ya kini ki jipular ki jongka ni nagaliang jong ka voice of the people party ngin se song perkhat dia ban ilaru ban sim da kani
kum shibenta ban rakhi ke jingdap arphaus nem ka motor sports club Meghalaya kan sepelong ye ke jing kop nya kali ha kilom kiwa ha ka arphau arpoi bat arpo artrik JYLLIEW ha kerdem kulai ribhoi district u president ka motor sports club Meghalaya uba Eugene Nyangti ulai thu ha ka ni ke jing kop en wan shimenta kum ba lai pusan ngut kinong ye kop nya kali kan thop iki kan thei bat chinrang Shushu uba Nyangti ulai thu bakin don ru kinoy kop nya kali ki banwan na Nagaland bat asan. Hakini ke jinga kop ka don haduk lai kerdan bat kasong pisa ka dei arlak lai pesan ajar tingka. Kini ka kinhun ka khot ka wer ye ki pat ba banwan pit ka ye kini ke jinga kop da lagi jongki khmat ban yu i haduk kat nu kinong nya kali ki thom ye ki rai e rai dam ki riat kilho bat kakti ka ahor.
Nalkom presiden ngala join bon events apa state macam baru Tinggi bike.com menuai motorsports in the form of off-roading or autocross or motocross or rally apakah event apa stage jami de kani opor jang snam ni menuai shipi ketika MSCM kamut motorsports club of Meghalaya off-roading trophy kani kamut ba ngin pelong jing lek kai apa ki off-road hangi ki obstacles ani ki kenja track ni national ban so tenat ban jenjar hero dia ki nong lek kai ta wani dan lightly ki categories kata de custom komod ki kali ki ham simple ki baklam modify ki kali four wheeler ki fi benar kam hasulong ado ka wheelies jeep ado ka gypsy ado ka Fortuner rather than 4x4 kilap enjoy dari ka stock category. Tinggi dan semi modified. Kamu semi modified ni kilap change tires, upgrade tires to certain specification mengilang bo. Dan kilapan bo ni ka winch na khamat, kilapan bo ki habo roll cage ru nang benda ka jing long safety. Di ki dan ki helmet ru, ki gloves, ki visors. Nah tabat ki baru dan segi jing fire extinguisher walaupun ki jing dan come from safety angle and for a recovery angle for kisan ladders kilaban use ka semi modified ru. Dan light na kani kan once pro modified. Ka pro modified kali pilawan change ki engine, pilawan change chassis, pilawan change suspension, pilawan bo kani ka winch which is a self recovery ki ong to batan hi na sakut shadin macam khamat ki tires given limitations pilawan upgrade tu kan pila light na ki tires ki by use for farm ki mud terrain pilawan use di kita gede takani even kan dai hakerdam gulai di bohai district apa mau kawai di kawai hangi dan arli ki jaka kawai di mau share haja ni bar kawai de ham 2 kilo ni jaka ki jan ha ta ha 5 kilometer ngilai ngoi belum chawai belum bangin dan kumba haman ka category ngin dan kum suddenly ki obstacles kum ki hill climb ki down ki articulation then your balancing bridge then your pond rush but kita nyu ingin saniam syaki ru kumta ter ka jing job ya kan ka even ka dei ba fin chimi ki flags ni la bo hi jaka benya ya kali pan driver but un assess ko driver fi ta de bayar ba shonglang dan ni ba shonglang kin thei lu kat ba ki participate kin chimi ni ki flags kin chim chu ngi bo suddenly ki flags away ka obstacle kin yo sang point ba ka time chu de filong fastest fin yo 50 points belong second fastest fin yo 49 points tu kumta gini ki point sabat ki flags kin da atlang kin sayo itu obstacle manu ba poi khman kin da lakut ke event part ke event ke dai live ni fin in plus ni points but ni sa pentep de manu nang job state so that kini participants can point that step for the 21st live state ketika run ke red bah but shwai ka tangin check ju kali jong kinarong shutang for safety regulations and then for fitness jong kali jong ki ba ki akan biang na em kumba nimut pangilai lupa
Kashnong selsela bat kapentha saudong jong ka West Garo Hills kala syatap lin da ka umba ha ka khat pratarik JYLLIEW haba ke eryong bat ulap ba kila password bat ther ha kini kesngi klem sange ki pai ba na kini kashnong kila pet na lagi yingisem bat chong wir shipor ha ka jaka ka bashalor lum balashna kerpang de ki bor senchar district kum ka jaka shongri shipor Hatura la don gidong ki balamat ik jing tua ba jing tuat ka kendo na ka jing jur uslap Henry amshim la don kanu ka jing mensawi ki briu ne ki jing ri jing dok Wat ka ying shong jong Jagdish Chelani Deputy Commissioner ka West Garo Hills kala sya pedo ha kini ki eryong ka bala penhap da ka tanak ding halor jongka Ban hikai kumnu ban penne pensa bat ban yada ya ka mei mariang ya ki jing itanak jongka bat ban record ya ki ki wa ni ki jaklia jakhat ka Shillong College ha ka khat pratarik JYLLIEW kalapin ipat ba da ka plim mei mariang ban ketik ya ka jing mutjing berkat ki Samla puli da ka jing pin ipat ba ya kini ka plim kalong artat shibenta na ka jing rakhe ya ka sngi penne mariang da kinong hikai bat ki Samla puli kani ka college Shen ka Shillong College kan rakhi ya ka lingko an rup house nem Diamond Jubilee ha ka jing shakri jongka ban pen priang ya ka jing nang jing tip ha ki kenjang bakham shaneng ha kani ka sngi uba Paul Lingdo Menteri ka Social Welfare ka Meghalaya ka Principal jong ka College Professor E Kharkongor kinong hikai ki Samla pule bat ki riu khmat bala khot ngobha kilawan ban pet ya kani ka phlem
In fact, they have even mentioned that these two rivers, Khuborjylla and Khubor, shall not be under our administration, but shall be in the hands of the state only. So the two rivers were left to their own, while the six left under the protectorate of the state only. And I guess at that time, Shillong was behind the wall.
Then you nak perkhidmat ada macam senam kebagi mila ai bentai ni kong ka academic subcommittee bangin hapan organize program. Dan baru-baru ni lagi bagi program ki Shillong baru-baru biar dia bikin hikai. Dan minta kasih ni perkhidmat yang menakan dia asap academic committee yang bagi perkhidmat yang perlu bangin ngin shim nak tak kalat ban galong student centric kan bak biya deru bak ki jingja ki jinglong jangka memar yang mentah in Khubor ba manglei te baru bang lei ru bang sidon ma kini seminar biya dei bak mai mariang meram nemo bat ni ba issue one ra ek presentation ni syukran ni syubatai bat ni perkhat yo pun no mandele no dak film bara bagi shisha ya ta kena kila kalak ban ketik ik jengmut je perkhat kalak ban kata ik kena ro bab ni tang ki kena ro ya ki bapet baro makana ka jing ka jing pin kendu men simu kan wan ka jing su kendu bai shisha ki wa ki ki bani nak penjular tendai nak kata kan ya sedang bat ni ontong ni le ada kan ka short film competition.
Dia bilang
ini ko apa ni sedang ini short film competition yang in kot i college ba. Tinggi perkhan ko syam yang ni lamut ban ong ke Shillong river mo gi wa badan bo Shillong ta yang ni kot i college ke badi tang hang ni ha po Shillong. Rai ni perkhan yo em yung ngiling le tang Shillong rai ni le kari bar ke state jung bar bai ke Meghalaya. Kum ta ni ai no ni lap ai no Meghalayas rivers in distress ni ai no ikatu ban hang ta habang la ai kata ni yo pare kata ka ya ka ni kam response na kiwe ni yo na nong stone PE katu best award best short film award katu binyo for open category kadina nong stone katu dina nong stone bat kum ta ni la pasyang kira one haki registration bagi kena ki ba register ro Andre let's say they bakidon exams but ni happen delay ni ka program ni happen postpone na mal bakidon exams bun na ki film la shu ban wan ban compete re ki entries ki long kum bak hat pratli ki entries andre ki ba poi ha ka thong pare hat dok ko jong thong video kandai tli ki films te kini ngi sedang kum ni bat kinaya le kinaya contact kintai ni jadi na ai pa jimut ki ke kum ban ni
dia kan
Ke eryong bat ulap ba kila salat iklum garu na dudang step haka khat pratere JYLLIEW ki balabu ya kalek kawan bat kekit ka ba ikimar ki mata ki jing bajing soksat ka bajur. Kanot garu hills berok kawai kala shlei Bon ki kali ki langat ha ki jing janjar ka bajur bat don ru ki balaper halor ka jing shlei ka bashir kai. Kare subel para kanong ba jong ka district ka langat ha ki jing shlei bat ki surok ki lakalakum ka duriaw ba. Samla dan genu ke jingja besngusi ia kemen simpre.
Ya kan ba dia tu ni insyaallah nanti. Anda kan
Ya benar suara ni Pabo.
ya sih langsung.
Sudah na susu sudah. Enggak ini yang harap. Ya tak sibun kainga.
Yan ri chutu mendi rama ya dolong urkenya sem dolong urkanya selo ya semsaktanya selo rama longen ni kani public rang maning ha ikon school iwa bisarang college iwa bisarang dumukan di tok painga office rang si nang ba rang badungan di ba dao longen manirang ni kani ko maning ha ya ko district administration ni kita ni rokat saude nam public encem
Kasin Dominic High Secondary School mau kendeng berokaway kentup ikinong peniat kinohikai bat ki kena school. Haga khat praterik JYLLIEW kalau pelong ke program bekerpang ban ken mau ye ki kemi ki kpa ke belajaus app ban penhe pensan bat penang pen start lagi khon haga jing jongki. Kinohikai haga ni ke school kilong ki kemi ki kpa halaga jong ka ying kasem. Ye kiru la le burom bat la pen pawe ke jing songo ka bakraw di ki kena school haga ni ke sngi. Reverend Sister Miracle Nongsi, headmistress, ringkat bat kat tu kat ningut ki kena school balajit kerpang. Kila pelong ya ke program sngongu ya ki kimi ki kpa hakani ke sengi le buram ye ki. Ubabu janitus suchang ulami khamat ekinohikai ban keren de ki tin jali jo ya ke baha jong ki kimi ki kpa bakila le na ke benta ki khun ki kti hala yeng lasem. Kinohikai ki pelayo ya ke jingero bat jing pertu hakani ke sengi na ki kena school kila lengo ngan bat kendit ban yoi bat yo snow ye ki kentin it beki kena school kila clay ban pen pau ke jing snow wo ye ki Upadar principal ulakit bok ya ki kemi ki kpa jing khna school bakin don ha ka jing kot jing khia ha ka liang kamet bat kamen sim khna bakin la ban ri ban sumaria la ki khon ki kti bat ya ka ying ka sem da ka jing e bat jing tali ulaya ro ya ki khna school ki balapen pau ka jing e bat jing buram ya la ki nong hikai ulakin tu ki ban yai beteng ya kini ka akor babha hasilin ter ka jing em jongki Lepinwa ya kini ke program sngongo ya ki kimi ki pa da ka jingruai bas ngau thiang bat bapen lung mensi.
Mana kelam ke be upa yung ama apirama. Kante ke be upa kelam apedi yung peace yang bau up. On behalf of all the teachers, the non-teaching staff who are mothers and fathers here, I take this opportunity to give our appreciation, us knowing or even have a slightest clue of today's function. We are so proud that they are so thoughtful, really taking the initiative, and we appreciate. Let us give them a big round of applause for father and sister. Thank you so much, Father of Love, for this gesture of remembering us as parents of a family, but more than that, for keeping us in mind as the parents of these young students over here. They are our
Shwaban Rakhi ke International Yoga Day ha ka arpoi tarik JYLLIEW Khuborjylla District Yoga Sana Sports Association ha ka sin beningkong galapalong ya ka district level Yoga Sana Sports Awareness Program ha ka jingitri lang bat Khuborjylla College bat ka office District Sports Officer ha Khuborjylla College nompo kajingtmu jong ka RBDYSA ban pelong ya ka ni ka program Kalong ban pensyai pai ba ka yoga ka de ka jingile akai bala ban shimenta kat bakot la Khubor de ki khna ki Samla bat ki temen ki kro ka yoga ka yarap ya ka met ka phat ban yo ya ka jingkwat jingkhya baro shirenyeng ha ka ni ka sngi play ya ka ni ka jingelang hikai pai ba halor ki jingmentoi ka yoga ladon lang state secretary MYSA Dipan Karnandi principal ka Khuborjylla College isi Beni MC in charge Yoga Cell, Kong YV Simle Program Officer NSS, President Seng Samla Wan Borlang Malnyang Samla Alfred Doloy, District Treasurer Damut Kinsai Walang, Babylon Lingdo, Bat Kidkot Jangka RBDYSA.
और थोड़ा रिलैक्स स्ट्रेचिंग करेंगे घुटनों के बल खड़ा होते हुए दोनों हाथों को कमर के पीछे और धीरे धीरे अपने गर्दन को पीछे लेके जाइए कमर पर आगे पुश कीजिए
because we have to establish the Yogasana as a sport in this region, and very soon we are going to start up with the training centers out here. So for this our boys are working hard, and in the coming time our athletes from this region will be able to compete with the other districts of the state and will be able to compete in the state level championships. That is in our mind. So I am Mr. Dipankar Nandi, Secretary of Meghalaya Yogasana Sports Association. I am here before you to inform you a little bit about what is yoga and asana. Yoga you already know, and what are the asanas are about. As we go behind, like quite long time back, asanas were claimed to provide both spiritual and physical benefits. And in medieval Hatha Yoga texts, which were there, very important. More recently, studies have provided evidences that they prove flexibility. Asanas and yoga, they will provide flexibility to your body, obviously to your mind as well. Strength and balance. We require balance to our body as well. And also it reduces stress and conditions related to it. And especially to alleviate some diseases such as asthma, diabetics, heart patients. Nowadays lot of diseases are coming, and with the help of yoga and asana, you are going to get rid of all those diseases. Now asanas have been appeared in our culture for many centuries. Religions Indian art depicts figures of the Buddha, Jain Tirthankaras and Hindu super gods like Shiva and all. They all are seated in that posture and they used to find out some peace, mental peace or whatever. So they used to do that. You can find that in our those ancient culture.
The district sports Yogasana Sports Association has done this wonderful job of establishing this unit and spreading awareness among the students on various practices on yoga. As you are aware that United Nations has recognized India's biggest contribution to the world, that is yoga, and made the 21st of June every year as the International Yoga Day. India was a rich and prosperous country in the past, and it had very valuable traditions. One of these traditions is the yoga practiced by the sannyasins, and through them it has spread, and in present day world yoga
Ke district level inter-school Subroto Mukherjee Cup football tournament arjar arkusau Eastern West Khasi Hills kalapoi ke semi-final under 15 happening ke Little Star Prasha ek Maukar Presbyterian School hakaba ke Little Star kalapen bam da Khatway la North hamadan dom maulum Mairang ke St Joseph High Secondary School kala Thep Sau la North ya ke Mairang Presbyterian School katba ke under 17 boys ke Little Star English Medium kala pelim ya ke St Thomas High Secondary School Dalai la North Hakaway pat kajing yakun hapedeng kanong Thleo High Secondary School Persha ya ke St Joseph kanong Thleo kala pelim ya ke St Joseph da ar lakaway. But daki tu ki Khubor ngila poi shikabakot tar hadu ni syambiang kublai shibon.